Good morning, vlog. Today is June 24th, and today is Pride, and it also happens to be my best friend Olivia's birthday today. So I decided, why not today to be the first day to vlog? I'm gonna put you right here. So currently I'm going to Project Juice for Olivia because she has been, maybe right here? Yes! 8 o'clock in the morning, because Olivia has been wanting it for like 4 days. Little does she know that I'm going to go get her some right now. I will update you when that occurs. Okay, hey guys, I'm at Olivia's house. I went to Jamba Juice because Project Juice was way too far, but I regret not driving the extra 15 minutes because at Jamba Juice, these are looking a little crusty. Oh, Olivia, open the door. Okay, this is becoming like a really stressful experience. Like, hello? Oh no. Olivia, where the fuck are you? Oh. Olivia! Happy birthday! Olivia has a nice mirror, so I'm gonna do a quick little OOTD.
Anything?
Hey vlog!
Oh god!
Hey vlog!
Move! I need to get ready. Anyway.
Okay, should we all do a quick OOTD right here?
No!
Thank God someone has mirrors in their house.
Sorry to disappoint.
I do too, but I just like stood in front of the mirror and was like, OOTD, little OOTD, and then didn't name anything and then walked out.
This would have. Hello, everyone. How do we feel about a backless shirt?
I love a backless shirt.
Oh my God, that's literally what Bella's wearing.
But I need to like make sure it fits. This is good.
Hey vlog! We're downtown. Hey vlog.
Hey!
Hey vlog. Okay, we're downtown. We just took the bus. Hey, no, no, hey, no, no. We've already lost fucking Dylan and Claudia. They're gone. We have no idea where they are.
That way or that way?
I don't know. Where should we go?
That way.
We're going straight. Hello vlog. It's been a few days since the last time I vlogged because, you know, I'm lazy, forgot about it. Completely forgot to edit my Pride video, so that just came before this. But today is Wednesday the 27th. I'm about to drive my sister.
Hey, sister!
Hey, queen!
Hey! Oh my gosh, this is for the vlog. It's not the right way.
What?
No, I'm good.
So, do you want to tell them where we're going?
We're currently going to the airport because me and my mom are going to Detroit for JNC, which is Junior National Championships, and I'm so excited.
And we can't wait.
And we just
Can't wait!
like
So I
check out
see
my
you guys
vlog.
at the airport.
Yeah.
Hey, Connie. Hey guys, so I just dropped off my brother at school and I'm going right now to pick up Haley from her house so that we can go on a hike in Marin. I'm not exactly sure where we're gonna go yet. We went a while ago with Bella Kearney, Mood. Worst comes to worst, we'll just go on a random hike.
Oh yeah.
Oh, good morning.
Oh, good morning, and
good morning.
9 a.m.
Oh, I know, and it's
Oh.
so... Why not take us on a little adventure today? Vlog. So, we've been in the car for about an hour. We've been to this waterfall before, but
And it's
like,
not that complicated
it's
last
like
time.
not the right waterfall. So, oh my god, that was literally what the bus was. The bus was literally dropping off. Insert video of bus right now. Okay, there was a video of the bus right there. Did you save that video of the bus?
No.
Oh, okay, no bus is right there.
You can screen record it. I sent it to you on Snapchat.
Okay, there will be a video of the bus there. Okay, we're just gonna keep going. Hopefully we...
Wait, remember, my favorite person biking is prohibited. Okay. Fire danger, medium.
Hi.
Oh. Wait, this is my mood. Check in with Ranger. No vehicles beyond this point.
This is literally like summer camp. We're gonna be like, what the fuck are you doing?
Who's going in a porta potty?
I think we came the wrong way.
We're looking for the waterfall.
We're looking for a waterfall?
Well, now we're just gonna go to Cascade or whatever you said.
What a wholesome place to have a summer camp though. Look at that.
I would so go to the summer camp.
I would go to the summer camp too. Okay, we have arrived. We finally found it. That was a fucking expedition.
There's a rattlesnake warning.
The guy was saying that the random man that
Stop talking.
that we yelled at through the window of the car said that the waterfall may be dry, and by the looks of that creek bed over there, that bitch empty. It looks dry. I'm not hearing any water. So we'll update you when we get to the waterfall. Hey guys, so after a treacherous hike, we've made it.
That was so much harder than it should have been.
I know, I was like a little confused. But we've made it to the waterfall. The waterfall's dry, basically. I'm putting in the photo right here. Look, it just went in. Of a photo of Haley and I last time we were here with Bella Kearney.
There was a lot of water.
There was a lot of water. So, yes, I don't know. This might be the end of this little segment of the vlog because I literally don't know like what that is. Good morning, everyone. I have my nasty ass dog in bed with me. I thought I'd just end this vlog now because I thought I was gonna vlog last night and I didn't, and I just woke up this morning and there's nothing on my phone. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna be better at it in the future. Oh my god, I look disgusting. Subscribe, like, comment, but comment too because I think that's funny. Hey, mama. Ew. I have such a bad headache.